to effective couples, and this is very key. Effective couples deliberately complement each other daily. Complementing each other on a daily basis is so important. Do you know why? It forces you. Look, this is not optional. This is not, this is not for us. No, it is for you. It is for everybody. Doing this on a daily basis forces you to daily have to find something good about the person. It is a daily thing. You know, you can't be like that man that says, I told you 23 years ago. I was reading another one again. I hope this is a joke. Where the woman was complaining, he no longer touches me, he's no longer there for me, and the psychologist got off his chair, walked to the woman, swung her around, gave her a passionate kiss. And the man was unmoved and turns to the man and says, this is what you need to do to her. This is what will change your relationship. And the man turns to the psychologist and says, every Tuesday, 6 p.m., she'll be right here.